Hello everyone. Firstly, welcome to Ryzel YouTube channel. Hope you are good and fine. Today's class is about masking photos and videos inside objects in Vista Create easily. So first we will need a canvas, an empty canvas or a template. You can choose canvas from here, like Instagram stories, Instagram posts. These are already pre-built canvases, or you can choose custom sizes. You can click on show more to see more canvases, or you can choose templates. I will click on templates and I will search for something like, I will search for fashion. They're very good templates here. I will choose one I will go with this one. Let's go. Click on it and it will open in a new tab. Now simply it's completely editable, and today it's only about masking. So we will see this is already a masked object here, masked image here. It is masked inside the shape. You can simply double click on the mask or simply click on the little mask icon here. It will do the same thing. Simply double click on it or pressing the mask icon. Inside the mask you can adjust the image, you can scale it, you can adjust its position, its placement, like this. And if you click outside the mask, double click outside the mask, it will save it, or simply click the done button and it will be saved like this. Let me undo it and let me show you how it looked before the adjustments. Now if you want to change the photo inside it, you can simply click on mask and click on release image. The photo will be released from the mask, and you delete it and go to my files, upload any file. You simply drag and drop, download from Google, drag and drop, and click on the photo and drag it to the mask object. It will be masked automatically. The second way is that I'm going to undo it and to the place, yes, here. Sorry mask, simply drag and drop the photo. It will automatically replace the previous photo with the new one inside the object. And if you want to adjust it, simply drag and drop and click outside to save it, and it's already been masked. And if you want to change the shape of the mask, simply go to objects and you can see shapes here. No, you have to go to masks, not shapes but masks. These are all the shapes in which you can mask the image. From here you can select the very good one. I will select some square shape that go with the design. Let me see, I like this one. I'll search for square. Yes, here it is. I will click on it. The mask object, you can see there is always a photo inside the mask object. This is the major sign that it's a mask object and you can place the photo inside it. I will scale it to little, I will decrease its size, and I'll go to my files and simply drag and drop on the mask object and it will be masked like this. You can see it is looking very good. If you want to mask video inside the object, I've already uploaded a video from stock video. You can simply drag and drop it in. A prompt will appear. From here you can select the start time and end time of the video. Like if I want to start from this and end here, I will simply select this and click confirm. The video will be masked inside it, and simply you can check it by clicking the play button and see that the video is masked inside the shape. So it's very simple, it's very easy. You can simply change the mask size, you can simply mask videos and photos with just few clicks. You click play button, you can see it's very easy. It's all for today. Explore more mask shapes, explore more masking and try it. That's all for today. Thank you very much and take care and goodbye.